Hello, my name is Juan, and I am the CEO of eGeo. And at eGeo, we build ultrameters for intelligent grids. Have you ever wondered what is the biggest, most complex machine in the world? The biggest, most complex machine in the world is the electrical grid. And it is a very complex system. And it comes from a place where there's a lot of stakeholders and a lot of complexities. And it's only going to become more complex because the world is changing. There's new trends, there's new technologies that changes the way we interact with each other and the way we interact with the electrical grid. Things like artificial intelligence, systems like what my friends from SimPower showed. We can trade electricity in the future, and the electrical car is going to create a big restraint on the grid now. As you can see, there are many stakeholders on the electrical market. There's the generation companies, transmission companies like Tenet in the Netherlands, distribution companies, and energy service providers companies. And in the center of all this is the end user. We need to embrace the future. We need to embrace the changes. We need to embrace technologies like the Internet of Things and all the new trends that are coming that are making the systems more dynamic and more intelligent. And there's one point where all the complexities meet. And this is where they all meet, the electrical meter. This is an old electric meter, but everyone that has electricity service has one. We now have smart meters, but studies shows that the benefits from the traditional smart meters are not going to be enough for their cost. So we believe that the reason why this is happening is because the devices are not real-time, which means the information gets too late. As my friend from SimPower is saying, we need real-time information. Also, they only measure one parameter, which is the power consumption, even though there are more than 15 parameters that are important, like power quality. And they're only one-dimensional. They only want to talk to another device, even though, as you can see, we need to talk to different stakeholders. And this is why we created the eGeo1. It is the smartest, most advanced electrical meter in the market with a radical new approach. And our closest competitor is four times the price. What can you do if we install ultrameters to make grids intelligent instead of smart? Where you're going to be able to have demand and respond, have savings and insights, frequency monitoring, power quality monitoring, and dynamic pricing and new business models. And you're going to have an increase of the overall grid efficiency of 30%. Thank you.